quick video for you lot. This thing, I haven't got an extra hand, so first of all, there's a laser pointer, and it's just right here. And then you switch it on with this slider, so it's click. I'm just going to switch it up 1 second. Click. That's on. And then this is the tracer switch. You can see the light inside, the UV, and that's a single shot. And then the fun switch. And you've got the voltage there. You've got the hop up adjustment here, and obviously this is your magazine, and this is the torch. So you can adjust the beam like so. I'm just pushing this forward, and then you can have your blinding, and then you have your cob light, which is right there. And this is a separate battery to everything else. And then this switches off again. So there you go, back to single. And then fun switch. Turn off. And this is the quick spring change. So you can just undo this, and you've got the quick spring changer underneath it. So that's it.